Welcome back to the channel. We are diving straight into the action today with massive updates hitting the automotive world. First up, Tesla is rolling out a huge map refresh across Europe with the EU-2026.8 update. This isn't just a simple map change. This package road geometry, points of interest, and speed limit data are being updated for the entire continent, starting with a detection in Turkey and expanding rapidly. If you own a car on the 2026.8 software family, you need to know exactly what this means for your navigation and routing accuracy. We break down how this map refresh pairs with new navigation features and why you need to stay on Wi-Fi to catch this rollout as it spreads across Europe. Next up, we shift focus on weight-adjusted road use fees and the economic realities facing electric freight. And finally, we get into the experience of autonomous driving with the Tesla FSD. We look at what a long FSD road trip actually feels like in 2026. With recent software releases like FSD v14.3.3, owners are reporting noticeably smoother acceleration and better handling in complex merge scenarios. We discuss the difference between the supervised version available now and the potential of unsupervised robotaxis, and we ask, is the FSD experience truly transformative? Don't miss the rest of this breakdown, hit that subscribe button, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Tesla is actively rolling out a significant regional map update, designated EU-2026.8, across Europe. The deployment has begun, first being detected in Turkey, and is now expanding continent-wide for owners with the corresponding software. This map update is intrinsically linked to Tesla's 2026.8 software series, which commenced its widespread rollout in mid-March 2026. The EU-2026.8 package represents a substantial enhancement over previous versions, such as EU-2025.14.15284, introducing refreshed road geometry, updated points of interest, more accurate speed limit data, and improved routing precision across European territories. Beyond the map data, the 2026.8 software series incorporated navigation-adjacent improvements. These include a new down-arrow shortcut within Spotify for quickly navigating to the bottom of lengthy lists, and the functionality to hide suggested destinations under the Controls menu within navigation settings. Owners can expect cleaner routing and more precise local point of interest, POI, results. Tesla map updates are delivered via software packages and installed over Wi-Fi. Due to Tesla's typical rollout pattern, updates often surface in one country before spreading across the region. Owners who have not yet received a notification are advised to remain connected to Wi-Fi overnight to ensure they capture the update as the rollout continues. Taiwanese suppliers are shifting their focus beyond Tesla as China's robot manufacturing sector accelerates. The delay in Tesla's production timeline is prompting these suppliers to reevaluate where immediate opportunities exist within the broader robotics supply chain. While Tesla is recognized as a key indicator for the humanoid robot market, the current production schedule is causing industry players to explore alternative near-term avenues for engagement and growth in the rapidly expanding Chinese robotics landscape. The Tesla Semi is rapidly entering volume production, signaling a major shift in long-haul trucking. However, the industry faces a critical, often overlooked challenge. Who bears the financial burden for the road wear and damage caused by the massive weight of these electric semi-trucks? Analysis highlights the immense engineering feat required for electrification. Robin Singh noted that the battery pack alone on the Tesla Semi weighs significantly more than a Tesla Cybertruck, underscoring the scale of energy density needed for heavy-duty transport. While proponents argue that the lower center of gravity and superior torque compensate for the added mass, the sheer weight, with the long-range model carrying 23,000 pounds at the curb and a maximum gross combination weight of 82,000 pounds, presents a serious logistical hurdle. Engineers confirm that heavy trucks cause disproportionate road damage. According to the American Institute of Physics, a single 8-axle semi-truck can cause 2,500 times more road damage than a standard sedan. This exponential scaling of damage is a major concern for infrastructure planners, with studies projecting that switching to electric trucks could increase road damage costs in areas like New York City by nearly 12% by 2050. The core of the debate centers on road funding. Diesel trucks currently fund road maintenance through fuel taxes, a cost electric semis bypass. This disparity has intensified as electric trucks face the weight penalty. Experts argue that simply shifting the cost onto the public is unfair, as taxpayers who do not haul freight are paying for the infrastructure used by commercial carriers. Proponents suggest potential solutions, including battery swap networks, though scalability remains a major infrastructure challenge. The most viable policy recommendation emerging is the implementation of a weight-adjusted road use fee applied to all commercial vehicles, regardless of powertrain. This fee, based on actual axle loads per mile, would ensure that all commercial freight contributes fairly to road maintenance, providing a transparent cost structure for fleet operators. While the Tesla Semi demonstrates technological viability with high uptime and real-world miles, the transition's success hinges not just on battery technology, but on solving the economics of infrastructure use. The consensus points toward a policy conversation now, integrating weight-adjusted road use fees into commercial vehicle operating costs to ensure long-term road durability and equitable financial responsibility. A recent observation highlights a significant shift in the experience of driving Tesla vehicles with full self-driving (FSD) technology, suggesting a transformation in the long-distance road trip experience. According to longtime Tesla observer Holmar's catalog, the moment a driver stops intensely watching the road and allows the system to take over feels genuinely transformative, describing the experience of being transported to another city with a single tap as akin to magic. This sentiment aligns with recent software advancements. The current version of FSD, formerly termed full self-driving, supervised, manages highway navigation, city routing, traffic signals, and stop signs. Recent updates, specifically FSD v14.3.3, included in Update 2026.8, which began a wide rollout around May 15, have prompted owner reports indicating smoother acceleration, more natural lane changes, and improved handling of complex merge scenarios. While the system mandates an attentive driver, these updates suggest that the day-to-day experience on multi-hour interstate drives is evolving significantly compared to previous iterations. Contextually, Tesla is operating a small, unsupervised robotaxi fleet, comprising about 38 vehicles in Austin, Dallas, and Houston, without active safety monitors. This separate program signals the trajectory of the technology. Elon Musk previously stated that unsupervised FSD is anticipated to become widespread across the United States by the end of 2026. For current consumer owners, the supervised version, accessible to subscribers at $99 per month, represents the closest approximation to this autonomous road trip feeling, with recent user accounts suggesting it is increasingly difficult to view as merely a novelty.